All right guys, so you started your morning with your thyroid warrior, you've had your 32 ounces of water, and now it's finally time for breakfast. We are actually gonna be doing the clean warrior recipe for the next 3 days, and all you need is a full head of kale, a full head of celery, 3 apples, a cucumber, a lemon, and about a thumbful of ginger. So let's get juicing. So depending on your juicer, you might have to take the pulp and re-put it through your processor a second time. This is a real slow cold pressing type juicer, so it just takes a little bit extra time. And if you're working a full-time job, make sure you give yourself enough time in the morning to get this all done. We want you to be successful, and to be realistic, it's gonna take some time, but you're investing in yourself, and that's what really matters. All right guys, we got our clean warrior. Not only is this specific recipe detoxing, cleansing, and anti-aging, it's gonna give you enough energy to get through the whole day. Now, when I went through this process several years ago, it was my first time drinking actual juice from nutritious vegetables and fruits. So what I do wanna mention is, as you're going through the next 3 days, if you're used to really fat foods, deep fried foods, going through the fast food drive-through in the morning before work or hitting it on your lunch break, you are gonna go through a detoxing period. Your body's gonna start flushing out all those toxins and fat that's in your body and start going out of your system. So it's really important to remember to drink your water and to have that mental focus on the goal here. You're trying to create new habits. You're trying to get your body used to good, nutritious food. So although this is going to be your breakfast, a juice, in your mind you think it's not food because it's not something that was cooked or fried, just remember, this is a whole lot more nutritious than the food that you're used to eating. So if you think that you're starving, you're not. Your body's just going through withdrawal from the addicted nature it had to those other foods that were not good for you. So enjoy your clean warrior, feel the detox, feel the energy, feel your body cleansing itself and helping you anti-age. And just a last note is a lot of our clients out there are busy, full-time working parents, maybe single moms, maybe entrepreneurs. You're always on the go, go, go. So when you're doing this next 3-day process, if you don't have the time to do it daily, do it the night before. Get prepared. When I was working a full-time job, 10 hours a day in the office, 4 hours a night in college, 2 hours in traffic coming home, I had to prepare the night before. So you can juice this the night before, and the smoothie that we're making next after our workout, you can also pack that on the go and take that to the office with you. And then when you come home, we'll go ahead and get through our dinner. So enjoy your clean warrior. Let's get our workout in.
Nice, beautiful. That was perfect.
Wow, this tastes like a green apple Starburst. The lemon, the ginger, the kale. I'm really gonna enjoy this.